Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2020 Hot Wheels. This is the McLaren P1 from the 2020 Hot Wheels Exotic Series, number 9 of 10. And it's a number 149 of 250 for 2020. Came from the P case, the Recolor, and it's in a dark gray color. And I have a special guest holding the camera. Say hi. Okay, well, apparently he's not doing so well. Anyways, this is a Hot Wheels Exotics car. Exotic Supercar is always ready to race. This came out in 2020. And I have a couple other colors of it. But let's just get it open and see what it looks like. And it's got good spinning wheels. It's got a nice dark color. And it's a plastic on the bottom. Black on the bottom. And it's a dark gray color on the top. You can see that there. It has black 10-spoke wheels. And painted details, as you can see on the front. Very cool McLaren P1, or F1, rather.
Nope, P1.
It is a P1. Oh, okay. Well, and there's the back. Very cool, nice headlights. And look at that spoiler right there. You can see, I think it is a one-seater.
No, it's a three-seater.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it now. There's a seat in the middle for maximum driving, performance, view, or whatever.
Field of view.
Yes, good spinning wheels. Very cool supercar to add to the collection. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.